Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in language transfer for unique learning methods, detailed guide step by step clearly. Investing in language transfer is a strategic choice for anyone interested in unique learning methods. Begin by researching language transfer's mission and vision. Understand their innovative approach to language learning. Visit their official website to access resources. Review the available courses and materials. Identify which languages interest you the most. Evaluate the course content to ensure it aligns with your learning goals. Sign up for their newsletter for updates on new courses and methods. Explore user testimonials and reviews to gauge effectiveness. Consider joining forums or social media groups related to language transfer. Engage with other learners to share experiences and tips. Look into any available investment opportunities they might offer. Assess the potential return on investment based on user growth and course effectiveness. If they have crowdfunding options, review the terms and conditions. Decide on the amount you wish to invest based on your financial situation. Make your investment through the recommended channels. Keep track of your investment by monitoring the performance of their offerings. Stay updated on new developments within the language transfer community. Continuously evaluate the value you are receiving from your investment. Adjust your strategies as needed based on new insights and feedback. Enjoy your journey in supporting a revolutionary approach to language learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.